Is the Bermuda Triangle really a death trap for ships and planes, or is it just an overhyped myth? The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region nestled in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It's a name that strikes a chord of intrigue and mystery, thanks to its infamous reputation as a place where ships and airplanes seem to vanish without a trace. Over the years, tales of these numerous disappearances have woven a fascinating tapestry of lore and speculation. Some attribute these vanishings to supernatural phenomena, others to extraterrestrial interference. But could there be a more rational explanation behind all this? Are the tales of the Bermuda Triangle merely an exaggeration of a series of unfortunate accidents? Or does this enigmatic region truly hold some inscrutable secret? There's only one way to find out. Let's delve into the history and examine the first documented disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle started to unfold with some intriguing disappearances in the early 20th century. Among the first to vanish was the USS Cyclops, a massive naval cargo ship with over 300 men on board. In March of 1918, the Cyclops set sail from the West Indies to Baltimore, never to be seen again. What makes this incident particularly chilling is the complete lack of a distress signal or any wreckage ever found. One moment, the Cyclops was there, and the next it had seemingly vanished off the face of the earth. Fast forward to December 1945, when the infamous Flight 19, a group of 5 torpedo bombers, met a similar fate. The planes, piloted by experienced airmen, were conducting a routine training mission off the coast of Florida. But during this mission, the flight's leader reported a malfunctioning compass. Despite clear weather conditions, the squadron lost its bearings and eventually radio contact was lost. A rescue plane with a 13-man crew was dispatched, but it too disappeared. The disappearance of Flight 19 and the rescue plane led to one of the largest air and sea searches in history, but no trace of the men or their machines was ever found. These are but 2 examples of the mysterious disappearances that have fed the legend of the Bermuda Triangle. The losses of the USS Cyclops and Flight 19, along with their crews, are undeniably tragic, and the lack of concrete evidence or explanation has only fueled speculation and intrigue. But it's essential to remember that the ocean is a vast and often unpredictable entity, and human error as well as natural phenomena can lead to unforeseen incidents. While these incidents are eerie, are they unique to the Bermuda Triangle, or are other forces at play? The Bermuda Triangle's reputation might be more a product of natural phenomena than paranormal activity. This area, a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, is infamous for disappearances of both ships and planes. But let's take a closer look at the natural factors at play here. Strong ocean currents are one such factor. The Gulf Stream, a powerful warm and swift Atlantic Ocean current, runs through the Bermuda Triangle. It's known for its rapid, turbulent and unpredictable currents, which can easily throw a small ship or plane off course or cause larger vessels to lose control. Next, we have sudden and violent storms. The Bermuda Triangle is situated in a part of the world that frequently faces tropical storms and hurricanes. These weather events can form quickly, leaving ships and airplanes little time to evade. The sudden onslaught of high winds and large waves can capsize boats, damage ships, and bring down aircrafts, even those that are well equipped. Further, the area is riddled with shallow reefs. These underwater obstructions can be a significant hazard to shipping. Even with the best navigational equipment, a ship can run aground, causing significant damage and potentially sinking the vessel. Finally, we cannot overlook human error and technical malfunctions. Navigational errors, fueled by the challenging weather and ocean conditions, can lead to disaster. Equipment malfunction, though less common in the era of advanced technology, remains a possibility. Even the most sophisticated technology can fail, especially in harsh weather conditions. All these natural phenomena can contribute to the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle. They are not unusual or unique to this region, but they do pose significant challenges to maritime and aerial navigation. These factors, combined with the high volume of traffic through the area, can lead to accidents and disappearances. So, if natural explanations account for most incidents, why does the myth of the Bermuda Triangle persist? As we move to the next scene, we will explore some of the myths surrounding this enigmatic region and attempt to debunk them. The myth of the Bermuda Triangle has been perpetuated through pop culture, despite lack of evidence supporting paranormal or extraterrestrial involvement. That's right, folks. We're going to unravel and debunk some of the biggest myths surrounding this infamous patch of ocean. First off, let's address the elephant in the room: paranormal activity. Claims of ghost ships, sea monsters, time warps, and even alien abductions have been associated with the Bermuda Triangle. But here's the kicker. There's no scientific evidence to back these claims, not a single shred. Paranormal researchers and enthusiasts have scoured the area for decades, yet they've found nothing to substantiate these claims. It's all hearsay and conjecture, fascinating stories spun around a campfire, but nothing more. Then there's the myth of electronic compass interference. Tales of navigational instruments going haywire and leading vessels astray have been part and parcel of the triangle's lore. Some even claim that the Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where the compass points true north instead of magnetic north. Intriguing, isn't it? But the reality is far less dramatic. Yes, the Bermuda Triangle does experience some variations in magnetic fields, but modern navigation equipment easily accounts for these fluctuations. It's not as if compasses suddenly start spinning out of control or GPS systems start drawing squiggly lines. Now, how did these myths come about? Well, they've been perpetuated by media sensationalism and a collective fascination with the unknown. The Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a ship and plane graveyard has been blown out of proportion, fueling wild theories and speculation. But when you take a step back and look at the facts, the picture becomes clear. The truth about the Bermuda Triangle might be less sensational than the myth. But isn't that often the case? The reality of the Bermuda Triangle isn't about otherworldly phenomena or magnetic anomalies. It's about understanding the natural hazards of the area, employing proper navigation techniques, and respecting the power of the sea. The reality of the Bermuda Triangle is less about mystery and more about maritime traffic. This infamous region, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is one of the busiest sea routes in the world. It serves as a crossroad for ships sailing between Europe, the Americas, and the Caribbean islands, and is also a major air traffic route. Now, let's put things into perspective. When we compare the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle to other busy maritime areas, the statistics aren't as ominous as they seem. For instance, the South China Sea, another bustling shipping lane, records a similar number of incidents as does the North Sea in Europe. The Bermuda Triangle doesn't stand out as a particular hotspot for unexplained disappearances when we consider the sheer volume of traffic it handles. So, why does the Bermuda Triangle have such a notorious reputation? The answer might lie in the power of storytelling. Tales of mysterious vanishings and strange occurrences in the Bermuda Triangle have captured our collective imagination, turning it into a symbol of the unknown. But when we scrutinize the evidence, the so-called mystery unravels. Modern technology and safety protocols play a significant role in debunking the myths surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. Today's advanced navigation systems, such as GPS and satellite communications, have greatly improved maritime safety. They help sailors and pilots navigate through severe weather conditions, strong currents, and shallow reefs, which are common in the Bermuda Triangle. Moreover, these systems provide real-time tracking of ships and planes, reducing the chances of unexplained disappearances. Safety measures have also evolved over time. Ships are now equipped with state-of-the-art safety gear, including life rafts, distress signals, and emergency beacon transmitters. These advancements have significantly reduced the number of accidents at sea, including within the Bermuda Triangle. So, what should we remember about the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle isn't the death trap it's often made out to be. Let's quickly recap what we've discovered today. Yes, the Bermuda Triangle has been the site of numerous disappearances, but it's important to remember the area is a bustling maritime highway. The volume of traffic alone can account for the seemingly high number of incidents. And while magnetic variations do exist, modern navigation technology is more than capable of adjusting for these minor discrepancies. Natural hazards such as strong currents, sudden storms, and shallow reefs are the real culprits behind many Bermuda Triangle accidents, not paranormal activity or alien interventions. The key to safe passage is understanding these hazards and employing proper navigation techniques. Advancements in technology and safety measures have significantly reduced the number of accidents at sea, including within the Bermuda Triangle. So, while the Bermuda Triangle might be shrouded in mystery, the facts tell a different story.